Good morning, jr3. How are you today? Today we have a new lesson which is called force and motion. Force and motion. What is the meaning of force? Let's know what is the meaning of force. Force it's mean push or pull an object that causes motion. What is the meaning of push or pull? Junior 3, when I move something that go far away from me, that's called push. When I hold something and I move it far away from me, it's called push. But when I move something and this object move towards me, that's called pull. Push or pull, they are meaning force, and when we do it push or pull, that causes motion. Motion mean the movement or the move. Okay, junior 3. We have now in examples of pushing. This man doing what? He is holding the wheelbarrow and he pushed. Why he is pushed? Because this wheelbarrow is moved far away from the man. When the car or when the wheelbarrow is moved far away from he, so it is a pushing. Number 2, the boy is pushing the ball to his friend. When I kick the ball is moved far away. So when the object moved far away from you, it's called push. So push mean the object move far away. The object move far away from you. But here, look, this horse doing what? He make the car towards the horse. Yes, go to the horse. So the horse is pulling the car. The horse is pulling the car. So the horse is pulling the car because the car is moved towards the horse. And this boy doing what? Yes, he has a rope and he pulling the car because the car is moved to the boy, towards the boy. So when the object move far away from you, it's called push. It's called push. And when the object moved towards you, go to you, it's called pull. So we have two types of force. It's called push and pull. Push and pull. Where pushing, I can say the pushing when the object move far away. When the object move far away. I can say pull when the object move towards you. When the object move towards you. And now we will describing the force. Number 1, we have here some type of marbles and I start to move the marble. I make the marble move far away from me. So I push or I pull. Yes, so I push the marble with my hand. Push the marble with your hand. So when you push the marble with your hand, what will happen? Yes, the marble starts moving. Okay, junior 3, I said before, the push is a type of force. So here we have a force, yes? When we pushing the marble, you have a force. So, number 1, when you push the marble starts moving. Number 2, I will touch the marble when it's moving. I will touch the marble. What will happen? Yes, the marble stop its motion. The marble stops the motion or stops the movement. So, number 1, when I push the marble starts moving. Number 2, when I put my hand on the marbles stops its motion. Number 3, I will push the marble but in the opposite direction, in the another direction. What will happen? Yes, the marble also changes direction and it moves in the opposite direction. So by the force, that means when I say force, I can mean push or pull, okay? The force can be used to what? To start moving. When I push the car here, when I push the marble starts moving, yes? Or I can stop. When I hold the marble stop of motion. Number 3, here when I push the marble in another direction, the marbles use in that I'll change the direction. Okay, junior 3. So again, I can say this lesson is talk about the force. What is the meaning of force? Push or pull, that's effect of the object and causes motion. Push or pull, that causes motion. Pushing meaning what? When the object move far away from you. When the object move far away from you. Pulling means when the object move towards you. When the object move towards you. When you touch or when you pushing the marble can start moving. So by a force, the force can starting moving. Number 2, by the force of also you can stop the motion. By the force also you can change the marble in the another direction or change direction. Okay, junior 3? Okay, let's start to solve the exercise in the booklet. We will choose the correct answer, okay? A toy is falling from the boy's hand, so the toy will, when the toy falling from your hand, what will happen? Yes, so the toy will move downward. Number 2, a yellow marble is moving in the left direction. So the green marble, what will happen? Yes, moved to the left. Number 3. Number 3, a rock is landing on the pile of sand after falling from girl's hand. So the rock will, when it's falling on the sand, so what will happen? Yes, it's stop moving. Number 4, an apple is falling from a tree. So the apple will, yes, moving downward. The last one, the bouncing ball is hitting to the ground. So the bouncing ball will, what will happen? It's a ball, it's a marble, hit the ground and yes, move upward. Okay, junior 3. So you have a homework. Solve the weekend sheet number 7 in the weekend sheet booklet. Thank you.